Wait. Okay. Hang on, let me get in on it. Okay, go ahead. Hit the cameraman.
No, I wish I could just turn around, you know. Cool. Can you turn it around? The other way?
Oh! That's better.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Put the coal to it.
Yeah.
Put the thumb to it. Fly to this camera.
Oh! Whoa!
This is what happens
That was
in.
pretty good, actually.
This is what happens in Shane's video store. This is Richville.
Yeah.
In Shane's video store. Oh, look at this. Oh, beauty. And the form and the technique on Shane.
That was just like Blue Thunder. Yeah, I wonder, is it because of the lights?
Or might be the fluorescent lights might kick it out.
Good. So I hit that. The rear. Have a friend that shoots rockets. Like a big thing.
You were scared. You panicked.
You're the one who's good at breaking. Yeah, 'cause whenever it finally gets...
Gotta fly it right through Shane's poop. That's not even close to his poop. What's he doing? Wanking it. He's a wanker.
Cool.
What's he doing? Wanking it. He's a wanker.